Hey my loved ones, so today I have another recipe. This is Italian pasta salad. Very simple, very easy to do, and it is a hit in my house. So here are a couple of the ingredients that I use. I use Parmesan cheese, I use a Southern salad and classic, red roasted Italian dressing, broccoli, cucumber, red onion, and black olives. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this recipe, then go ahead and look. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start with 2 boxes of the Southern salad in classic. I could have used the multi noodles, but I like this because it has a seasoning packet and it also has some vegetables throughout the noodles. Basically, to make this salad, all you got to do is read the instructions on the box. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my oil and water, and these are the instructions from the box. This is the make the seasoning packet. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So here I'm just rinsing my noodles off. I'm draining them, and then I'm going to rinse them off with cold water so it will stop the cooking process. So now I'm going to go ahead and chop up the veggies for the salad. I have red onion, cucumber, and tomato. And I don't think I cut the broccoli on this part, but I did pull off some of the florets off of the stem just to make them smaller because I didn't want big old florets in my pasta salad. Now for the fun part, we're going to go ahead and add all of the ingredients together. We're going to start off with the pastas, and then we're going to add the vegetables, and then we're going to add the seasoning, and then also cheese. So this recipe is very simple, and Sunday loves pasta salad, so that's why I keep these easy boxes of Suddenly salad on hand because it's quick and easy. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video with your friends and family. If you want me to cook something, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll get it done for you. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.